Whether you own vehicle for personal use or business use, from personal car to school buses, or from delivery trucks to transit buses, MapOut is smart and convenient accessory that brings you closer to your vehicle. MapOut is an innovative blend of hardware and software linked via the cloud, gives you smart vehicle tracking system. You would like to keep a track where your vehicle is. Also, real-time status of your vehicle and gets insights data. It can also act as anti-theft device for your vehicle. It has other features like geofence, point of interest, fuel dashboard, overspeed, servicing, and 50 plus alerts for your use. MapOut is a simple device which is easy to install. Just plug MapOut device into your vehicle's OBD port and fix the device in any location inside the car. What is an OBD port? On-board diagnostics. OBD ports are used by technicians to identify and remedy malfunctions within your vehicle. An OBD2 is available in all the recent vehicles on road in India. The location of OBD port is inside the vehicle, near the dashboard, and easy to find it. If your vehicles do not have OBD port, then don't worry. We also have other versions of MapOut similar to traditional vehicle tracking system. Just connect wires according to connection diagram provided by us and you are done. Just download application from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It is free to download. Or use any web browser on your computer. Just enter the username and password given to you. That's it. Now your setup is complete. And now you're ready to get all your vehicle insights from MapOut. As soon as you log in, you can see all the details regarding your vehicles. You'll get following features just like tracking, reports, geofence POI, fuel, alert, and many more. In advanced tracking, you can see the real-time location of your vehicle and also status whether currently parked or moving. You can view which road your vehicle is on map and all details of vehicle. In dashboard, you can see vital information about the current trip including distance, time, status, location, etc. With MapOut, you can rest assured location of your vehicle and its status. Now on to more cooler features. MapOut can help you to maintain vehicle's superior performance and safer driving practice. It can also alert you, enter geofence, fuel pilferage refill, ignition on-off, immobilized and other more than 50 plus alerts like these. Want to know how long that trip was? MapOut maintains history so you can go back anytime to review any past travel, trip, stoppage, idle and etc. Details of your vehicle. For driver-driven vehicles or taxis, these data helps you keep a watch, vehicle misuse and keep an account of vehicle usage. When you are business vehicle owner, it's important to keep track of fuel for all your vehicles. MapOut helps you do all these easily. Fuel dashboard shows fuel level of your entire vehicle in single glance. You can keep a watch on fuel usage. MapOut helps you against vehicle theft. When you park your vehicle outside your home at night or busy marketplace, you can set up immobilized alarm. In case your vehicle starts or towed at that time, you get notified on your mobile wherever you may be. Also, you can check MapOut device is plugged out from the car. We have developed our system such a way that it fits into your requirements very easily. For school buses, we have MapOut bus track for you. Considering school buses, you always need to know when will my child's bus arrive to pick up or drop? Has my child entered into the bus? Where is my child's bus right now? Is there any delay in the bus arrival? All these are easily possible because of MapOut. This information is very much useful to parents as well as schools. Now, if you have commercial delivery vehicles, then in delivery vehicles you need to know Has my delivery reached on time? Are my valuables goods safe and secure? What is current position of my delivery vehicle? How can I get informed about unusual activity during trip? All these you can check using MapOut. MapOut can easily fit into your business needs. If you own traveler bus, then you always need track of, is my bus following correct route and time? Is my customer satisfied with traveler service? Is my customer getting exact location of their bus? Are my customers traveling hassle-free during their trip? All this is possible with MapOut tracking system. MapOut can be used in many transportation work area like from milk tanker to garbage collecting vehicles or from ambulance to cab services. We have all tracking solution as per your need. Also, you can integrate many devices into our system like RFID reader, cameras, analog sensors, digital sensors, etc. So, whether you own a vehicle for personal use or business use, MapOut devices work with your vehicle to give you peace of mind, convenience, and save you money. So it's time to catch up with MapOut, a complete tracking solution.